Oh my God, look at the notebooks. This is like graphic design heaven.
Hi.
How are we going? 27 minutes out of Hobart. Very excited. Also very tired. Just drank some whiskey for lunch.
Lunch? Is that what you had for lunch?
Yeah. That has now sent me a little bit to sleep. But very excited. We've got officially 26 minutes to Hobart. And I've got to move the camera. Someone's merging. I'm excited, it's right next to the fresh fruit market.
Oh, sweet.
Welcome. Yeah, thank you. Tell you what, it's quite the experience coming up here, isn't it?
No. While we've got an opportunity,
Yeah.
I just want to sneak you into a couple of rooms
love-
here. But there's quite a difference between these two
That would be
buildings,
great.
and what we might do is
Oh
try.
yeah,
and-
because you've got two buildings, don't
yeah,
you?
yeah, and we'll see that in a
Amazing.
second.
I do like being able to experience the different rooms, especially if they're all quite unique. Hi. This is beautiful. Oh my God, those tiles.
Yeah.
So how many rooms have you got?
There's 20 across these two buildings here,
Yeah.
and we're constructing now our second Moss Hotel or Moss building,
Oh.
and there'll be a further 21 as of Boxing Day. I think we're opening that.
Oh,
That'll be fun.
really?
So all of these rafters and bearers and the, as I say, you see the thickness of the concrete render there. We took all of that off to get back to the
Wow.
original, and pretty much it was rendered as soon as they built it, and then there was another layer of plaster from the 80s or 70s or 1900s or whatever, and then layers of paint because it was a nightclub. But so all of this timber though is from 1834.
It's just so nice to be able to see the existing materials being used, reimagined, brought to life.
And the stonemason
wow.
was sort of going, they'd be chipping away. Oh God, the first guy to touch that stone was a convict.
Isn't that
So
insane?
as a craftsman,
Oh
they
my
were like,
God. Who did this? Oh, it's loom. Oh, amazing. Oh, look at that.
That's
Look
the
at that
join of the two buildings.
Wow, that's special. Check out the green of that door. How cool is that? There is green everywhere. I love it. All right, come on, come on. We're here. Key, please. Thank you. Got a couple of things. You ready? Oh my God. I love the feeling of this room. This hotel is beautiful. It's outside, it's all busy, it's energetic. You've got the fruit market, and then inside it's just this calm, peaceful oasis. And then, gotta love your custom robe. I'm gonna be chucking that on later. Oh, I like this. Antarctic dry gin, Tasmania. They do it well. All right, so look at this epic, massive bed, beautiful furniture, and how good is the apple by your bed? Oh my God, I love it. Oh, delicious, but this is probably the sexiest bathroom I have ever encountered. Check it out. Look at this bathtub. It is insane. So beautiful. It's got this lush gloss green tile. Plus, you're looking out over Salamanca Place. Do a bit of people watching, and then sit in your very lush green chair. Left us a little note. Oh wow, hang on, I've got to put this down. Look at all these. Gosh, these are beautiful. There is so much history in this building. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, little postcards. Oh my god, that's the coolest thing ever. You can send little messages back to home. I like that. That's a very nice touch. Oh my god, and there's even, oh my god, look at the notebooks. What? This is like graphic design heaven.
Time to rock and roll.
Yeah, you got your supplies from next door, I see. Tell you what, I'm excited.
A few snacks, bit of lunch.
Let's go see another cool house in Tassie.
I'm in West Hobart as well.
Are you?
So, but up sort of where the commercial sort of area is.
Yeah, right.
So,
Oh, this is
nice.
an amazing spot.
yeah.
Awesome.
No, they're very lucky. So.
Wow, wait.
What you doing?
Looking at some of the photos we've shot.
Are they any good?
Yeah, come on, get in the car.
Let's go to lunch.
Yay, food!
You got everything?
I don't even know. I did not pack well.
Alright, let's roll.
Haven't had a coffee, haven't had my breakfast. Let's do this. Hey, I'm prepped for you, ready to go. Thank you. Cheers. Enjoy the sunshine.
Thank you. Alright.
Let's go to Flower Pot. Oh my god, what an amazing spot. And this day.
I know you've lucked out. So.
Oh, these are all milled from trees in the area. That is amazing. Today I'm in very sunny Flower Pot here in Tasmania, and behind me is the Apple Crate Shack. How good was that home? The last time that Jono and I came to Tassie, Jono was super excited because he loves oysters.
I think I ordered 3 dozen oysters.
He's making us work for it, but it looks worth it. It completely opens up the cabin. How about an outdoor bath?
How you going?